heart attack, stroke, and GI tears occurred. People 50 and older with a heart disease risk factor have an increased risk.
Get up.
Serious consequences.
Fish ground.
We're going to Walmart.
You gotta press yeah.
Yeah.
How old will you be this?
Papa, I say no. Would you put a front plate on your car?
A what?
A front plate?
No.
Because I seen one that said Sweet Daddy.
Sweet Daddy.
Yeah. And you're a sweet daddy.
Standing right here for a drink, so I'm gonna walk over and see what kind of seafood we got.
Okay. Papa going wild.
Papa.
Just a little one.
That's what I said. A little one.
Yeah, do it like that.
Talk to him like that.
Fries in there. Johnny Renee, you fish. Arville. This is not funny when you've lived with me for 55
It's so
years.
funny.
Yeah.
Yes, I want,
Say it, Papa.
I want, yeah, I want 2 of the $5 meals.
Which one?
And one of them, with the burger.
One Mexican, one McDouble?
No.
Yeah, I'm not done.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
And Kylie wants a basket of fries.
And I want a basket of fries.
I didn't get that, I'm sorry.
A basket of fries.
About to eat
What
McDonald's.
sauce for the nuggets?
Then might go to the beach.
What size nugget?
Should.
What sauce do you want?
With the nuggets.
Barbecue, sweet and sour.
Sauce. Diddy sauce. Diddy sauce.
Ranch.
Ranch.
Diddy sauce.
Baby, shut
Alright, and what?
They got a new thing called Diddy sauce.
What drinks?
Just Coke.
Coke.
God.
I used to be black. Now I turn back.
At the boardwalk.
Be walking the board.
Be walking the board at the boardwalk.
You want to get back?
This cat got whiskers.
Yup.
What do you want here?
Anything.
Anything. Any time of the day.
Is that all?
Oh, you just got it.
Wow. How many looks does it take to get to the end of a Tootsie Pop?
I don't know. I don't know.
How many does it take for you? Huh?
Huh?
Papa. P. Diddy.
Shit.
P. Diddy.
Big deal.
Stop.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Fat girls love fries.
I'm not that fat.
No.
You route to Crown Reef Beach Resort and Water Park.
No, you.
All does turn you on.
Bubby, just don't cut no two before it's around her.
The small sawdust turns you on.
The smell of lumber, I like. The smell of lumber.
The smell of
turns
wood.
you-
Lumber.
You love
Mama.
morning.
I want Papa to build me a new deck out back in my living room door, and he won't do it.
Morning
No,
wood
what?
turns you on.
No, man.
That's what Papa
Mama.
I like the smell of new lumber.
Okay,
I hate you, Jay.
I like certain smells, but it don't turn me on.
Well,
What the heck?
God.
That's I can't get enough.
I built the house.
I got a man that can cut wood and make it smell good.
I hate you more every day, Jay.
Ask Mama about the wood and sawdust. What about you, Papa?
What turns you on, Papa?
I don't know.
5-year-olds.
That's kiddie pool.
The kiddie pool turns Papa on. Well, we're going out to the pool or to the ocean, and I ain't gonna be able to bring my phone because we ain't taking anything. So, see y'all when we get back. We are here about to go to the Alabama Theater.
Where's my glasses?
And this is what I got on. Kylie. Mama. And I'll show you Jimmy. And right here is Jimmy. Kitten shirt.
No, it wasn't.
Turn right.
Where we going to, Papa?
Oh my
4
God,
minutes
it's
to Carolina Bays Parkway.
Papa, where we going to?
Captain D's.
Yeah.
At the light, turn
He
right.
got his kitten shirt on.
North Myrtle Beach.
Never mind.
Papa has his kitten shirt.
It's telling you on that thing. Click.
Papa, what do you think about the Alabama Theater?
I'll let you know after the show.
Well, what do you think from what you've seen? What do you think from what you have seen?
Well, yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty good show.
Pretty good. Sounds good.
Remember your age. Don't pull your billfold out and want to see IDs. I ain't got no ID.
I'm 16, Papa. 16. We have made it in the parking lot. 6 minutes till it starts. We'll wait. And Jimmy has lost his phone. He's on the look for it.
Baby, you get my phone.
Alright, we are here. Papa's got his phone. Kitty shirt on. Meow.
Here, baby, you done.
These guidelines. Enjoy the show.
What do you think, Mama? What do you think? What's going through your head? Like, never is nothing going through your head, are there?
No, there's never nothing going.
No, no chocolate. Here we are.
Yeah, make it clap, make it clap. Oh, smack it, clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it.
Lights right up. Speed it up just a little bit. Hey!
Papa's amazed.
Good, man. Yeah.
Lights behind your stuff. Can you imagine showing up to the emergency room in this condition? What do you mean I have to throw off lungs? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, women.
Suck that nose in as best you can. It sure is a nervous piece of paper you got there. Got the nicotine shakes. Going in for the first attempt. Don't be afraid. I am a professor. Whoops.
Come on, Ma, come on. Well, is it because
That way.
he must smell like sawdust? Do you smell like sawdust, Mama?
Oh,
He found you one, though. God. Went to the candy store. Huge sucker. Big old Laffy Taffy I done ate. Sour Punch. Toxic Waste.
And I got an Oreo shirt.
And what did Papa get?
She bought like Oreo t-shirt.
$25.
No, he got cinnamon bears.
I like chip.
Papa, I thought you'd grab one of them when they running beside of you.
And those guys just juggle money.
Mm-hmm.
He can juggle balls. Did you see that?
Huh?
He juggled balls.
Papa, what did you think of the show?
I like it.
Who was your favorite woman?
I like them all.
Yep. What did you think of the little girl went up there and did magic tricks?
Throw that one Papa thought that she just slung it, didn't
Papa, ain't that right that fat girls love fries?
Shut it up.
You're the one that said it.
James, if you said it, she should dislike you, not Bubby.
Kylie loves fries.
No, I don't.
Papa, what do you think about your kitten shirt?
What?
Your kitten shirt. Kylie wanted that for you. She picked it out.
Hey, no.
I don't think you like it.
Yes, I like it.
Oh, but it's at the club.
We have got the pizza with Trish. Trish got the pizza. Say something.
I have the pizza and the wings, and I just want to go home.
Oh, you goofy thing.
That one was a newborn. She's packing a newborn there. Wasn't big as
I know.
a toy. I thought it was a toy when I first seen it.
Shut up.
Syrup jars.
Papa, what you gonna say
I told.
for the last thing?
No.
Just say something for the last thing. What you gonna say?
Good night.
And to all, say a wonderful Christmas.
And a wonderful Christmas. It ain't Christmas, is it? It's awful warm. It's awful warm, pretty Christmas.